of the map. It is our home, a land of flowing rivers, fertile valleys, and resilient communities. As the youth of Nagtipunan, we inherit this beauty and the responsibility to protect it. We are students, farmers, workers, volunteers, united by one purpose: to keep our town green for today and for the generations to come. We, the youth of Nagtipunan, hold a powerful role in shaping the future of our community. Today, our environment faces many challenges such as waste pollution, cutting of trees, improper disposal of garbage, and the effects of climate change. But instead of waiting for change, we can be the change. The youth are not only the hope of tomorrow, but also the responsible leaders of today. A greener Nagtipunan begins with simple actions from us. We can practice proper waste segregation, reduce the use of single-use plastics, plant trees, conserve water, and join clean-up drives in our barangays and schools. We can also encourage our families, friends, and neighbors to care for the environment. Small actions, when done by many, create a big impact. Nagtipunan's beauty is a gift that we must protect for the next generation. If we want a healthier, cleaner, and greener community, the youth must take part in making it happen. Let us be responsible, united, and active in preserving our environment. Together, we can build a greener Nagtipunan starting today.